You click on your channel, you will land on your channel page. Click on YouTube Studio. Now you will land on your YouTube Studio dashboard. Now you need to select the video you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit this video. So I will click on the edit icon. And I will click on editor. Now I have entered the YouTube inbuilt video editor. Now we will see two actions that we can do with this inbuilt video editor of YouTube. First action will be trim and second action will be split. With trim, we can reduce the ends of the videos which are not productive. Suppose if you see, let me start the video. So you can understand I am just speaking something repetitive here, so I just want to remove that part. So how do I do that? I just click on trim. Okay. Now the trim area is activated for whole of video. I'll just pull the bar from the start to the point where I want to trim. Okay. So I have trimmed this part now. If you want to see it in action, you can see. You can just pause the video, click here, and start the video again. It will start from the place where you have trimmed. Okay, so it has started from this place. Now similarly we can go to the end of the video. This is the end of video. We can trim the end part of the video as well. Okay, and if you click on here and just see, it is moving. The video is, this is the timer, and the video will stop here because we have trimmed the end part. Okay, I have not stopped the video, it stopped on its own because the end part of the video has been trimmed. Now we want to remove the some middle part of the videos which are not good. So if you see, these are some unproductive areas in my video. So I want to remove that unproductive area. So what I'll do, I'll stop for a bit so that I can select the exact place I want to remove. I will click on that place and I will click on split. Okay. So when I click on split, I will get a bar here, which I can move this bar this side to trim this area, and I can move the bar this side to trim this area. So I'll show you that in practice. If I move this side, this area is trimmed. Okay, I will show you in action. Just let me click here and start my video. So if you see, this part is script and the video started from this point. If I want to skip this part as well, so what I'll do, I'll just move this part here, and this part is also skipped now. So if I start from here, so you will see that we have split this, trimmed this part as well. So these are the two functions that we saw today. One was trimming, which was for ends of the video, and another is splitting, which is for the parts in between the videos which you don't require. Let's see one more example of a trim. Okay, so for that, just click on pause so that you can exactly split at the point that you want. Okay, so because if the video is going on and if you click on split, then wherever the video pointer is there, it will split at that point. We don't want to split it anywhere. We just want to split it at a specific point. So if I click here, I want to split here. So I'll select this in the pause mode, and then I will click on split. I will get a blue bar here, and I will split my videos according to the needs. Okay, so this part has been trimmed as well. So we can click on the preview and we can preview the video from start to end. So it is a trimmed video now. So after we have done our trimming, we'll go and click on save changes. Now when you click on save changes, it will take some time for your changes to reflect. So make sure you don't trim and click on save changes again and again. So what you should do is you should trim and make all the trims in one go, and then finally you should click on save changes. So I'm going to click save, and it will be visible after some time on my channel. Thank you so much.